Cats.
Oh, it's gonna be fun.
Pat, how do you feel? No, that doesn't exist.
Just really spectacular.
Good. It's damn good.
Hello.
Sounds the stadium.
Tonight, Sounds of the Stadium, University of
Last
Cincinnati,
performance.
Bearcat Marching Band, last performance ever,
And
again, with
we're gonna
these
win.
group of people. And
we're
yeah,
gonna win today.
score predictions, Cats by 90, Fifth Third Arena,
They ain't ready for
hashtag
us.
band.
Go Mellows.
Yerp. Welcome back to Sounds of the Stadium vlog.
Polishing it up.
Polishing it up. Tell right there, we got the entire site. Everyone say hi.
Hi.
Yep. We walk into Fifth Third and we walk into Fifth Third. So we're going to Fifth Third. As you can see, we all have no headgear because there's nothing to explain for this one. We're on the crosswalk now. Sounds of the Stadium, just for context. We are going to be playing just about every song we've played throughout the season for all our shows, to kind of like just do a final thing for recordings, things like that. Does anyone want anything they want to add? Go Cats.
Go Cats.
Go Cats, I guess. Media. Welcome to the pre-Sounds of the Stadium. This is the vlog. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot.
This is the vlog.
All right, now we can speak. Hashtag horizontal. My hair looks terrible.
You too.
We're lining up for a picture. Kennedy's missing. I don't know what's going on. Kevin's missing. What do we gotta say, guys?
Kevin's missing. I'm disappointed.
Okay, Kevin.
Yep.
Well, if my watch did watch things, we got about 7 minutes till concert starts. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna play everything we played this year, basically, other than some stand tips. It's gonna be fun.
gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up off the wall. Tell me, how you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up off the wall. 'Cause I heard all the people saying, get down on it. Come on and get down on it. If you really want it, get down on it. You gotta feel it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. want your body to move. Tell me, baby, how you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall.
Kennedy, how was your final performance with the Bearcat Band?
Oh, it was just spectacular. It was just really spectacular.
Good job.
What do you think about sounds of the stadium?
Pretty good, pretty good. Pretty damn good. Go Cats.
Do you agree? How do you think sounds of the stadium went?
Pretty damn good.
Pretty damn good. B, how was your final performance with the Bearcat Bands?
It was good. It was damn good. I'm a little tired, a little chopped out, but overall, only a couple complaints.
Any comments, statements?
Not at this time.
Matt, how do you feel about it being your last year here at UC?
It was a good year. I'm glad it happened.
And your last performance ever? How did it go?
No, not the last. We have
Ever?
basketball band. We have basketball band.
No, that doesn't exist. Oh my God.
Think I got that?
Yeah, I think you got that. Oh.
LeBron James.
Scream if you love the Bearcat Marching Band.
Taking some photos with the Bearcat sign.